partly cloudy.
SVR from Mercer. My fucking ears!
Severe thunderstorm warning for northern Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles northwest of Sharpsville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenville, Stoneboro, Sandy Lake, Jamestown, Fredonia, New Lebanon, Sheekleyville, and Morris K. Goddard State Park. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Mercer, Pennsylvania.
This is a doubleheader?
The forecast
Hey, but
for the Mahone